To my dearest Brian, as I stand here before you today with a heart overflowing with love and gratitude, I can't help but reflect on the roller coaster journey we have embarked upon for the last 11 years. Sabi nga nila, wala daw tumatagal sa long distance relationship. Pero record-breaking ata yung 11 years na LDR at umabot pa sa kasalan.
Mga alaala ng unang pagkikita'y nandito pa.
The whole plan is to stay single, but when I met you, everything changed.
Ang ating istoryang kailan may di inakala mapaglaro naman pala talaga ang tadhana.
Ang sabi ng ating simbahan, ang pag-aasawa ay biyaya ng Diyos. Si Jillian, biyaya ng Diyos kay Brian. And because biyaya ng Diyos yan, matagal na pinaghandaan ng Diyos yan, Brian.
To Jillian, thank you for everything, Brian.
To my dearest Babu, hello. I can't wait to spend my entire lifetime with you. I love you, Jillian.
Oh, ikaw na nga, ikaw na nga ang itinagda.
To Jillian, I grew tired of chasing money and opportunity. I was away from you. Therefore, I made the decision to stop chasing them and instead pursue you every day.
Ay, ngunit nariyan ka na. Di na mag-iisa.
All these times, you have been part of all my successes and triumphs, witness to all my failures and pains, and a partner to all of my struggles and difficulties. You have seen my true color, pero hindi mo ako sinukuan at iniwan kahit kailan. Pinatawad at pinapatawad ng paulit-ulit. Patuloy na minamahal at iniintindi. Labing-isang taon na puno ng saya, iyak, awayan, video calls, Facebook Messenger chats, international at local tickets. We may be separated by miles, but never separated by our hearts.
She is a gift of God to you. And so you must take care of her until your last breath, Brian. Ang pag-aasawa ay panghabang buhay.
Welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Brian and Jillian Padilla.
Take good care of you and lessen your burden. I will try to be more patient and understanding. I love you, babe. sentence me in any way or form you want. No more further comments, Your Honor.
Excited na ako sa susunod na chapter ng buhay natin. Excited na rin ako magkaroon ng Bea Victoria Padilla and Little Brian James Jr. Hindi na po mapipigilan kasi po magpapadilya na po talaga si Jillian Grace Barriaba ako. Brian, I love you so much, my Brian James Nepomuceno Padilla. Forever yours, Mrs. Padilla.